He just snuck up on me, scared the crap out of me. And I was like, what? Yeah. They always do me like that. Saying goodbye to the antique galleries of Palm Springs. Again, it's bittersweet. It's the last time I'm gonna see it in this form. What is going on, family? Welcome back to another video. Another beautiful, beautiful day. If you're new to this channel, my name is Bishop, full-time videographer, photographer, and content creator. And on this channel, we get outside, man. I like to show you guys behind the scenes of my life as a videographer and photographer. I get outside into nature, eating great food. Today, I'm in Palm Springs, downtown Palm Springs to be exact, and I'm at a restaurant called Vinophile. I actually pulled up here the other day while I was reviewing an e-bike at night, doing a nighttime ride, and I seen the chef and the owner of the restaurant sitting outside just enjoying themselves. So I decided to stop. We did a little interview, a little talk, and yeah, this is how it went, just like this. They have something awesome going on here. I want to know all about it.
We are enjoying the sunset hour.
Yes. So Vinophile Cafe, we just opened up about 3.5 months ago, and we are a wine cafe, but also that we focus on, we want food to be your medicine. So we do no seed oils, mostly all from the farmer's market, organic produce as well. Yes. I have an amazing chef. This is Alicia Crawford. I've known her for over 10 years, and she's brought this great liveliness to our menu. And we focus on just some really beautiful pescatarian dishes from like in a European style cafe. So yes. Our wines are mostly European, but we also have a lot of non-alcoholic options as well for those that don't drink. And they're small plates, but flatbreads, we have salmon rillette, also some beautiful desserts as well. So we just really focus on local produce. We also
Farmers
just became
salad.
one of the restaurants to be Blue Zone certified. So in Palm Springs, there's only 6 restaurants, and we are one of them. We're in a nice selection of great restaurants that are a part of that, and that means that you're focusing on like healthy cooking and focusing on longevity and enjoying life. So
yes,
we always want people to come here. It's like a living room to be inside. People all start talking together. There's nothing quite like it in Palm Springs, and we're just so happy to be a part of this.
I feel like you're in the perfect spot too.
Yeah,
it's like right here.
It's perfect.
Yeah, if you're in Palm Springs, come down the strip right downtown. You'll find them.
Exactly.
Well, she recommended me an amazing wine. Cheers, ladies.
Cheers. So this is a Rioja from Spain. We are mostly European as far as our wine. So 100% Tempranillo, and one of the best regions in the world. So
awesome.
Enjoy it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So they fed me and gave me some great wines to taste, and they invited me to come back the next day, which is today. They have a wine tasting. It's 5 wines, 5 bites. We're on the first course so far. I'm loving it. We just moved on to like the second wine, and it's a tasting. From my understanding, you're supposed to swish it around, and then put it in your mouth, and then swish it around, then you spit it out. You're supposed to spit it out. It's not a wine drinking, it's a wine tasting. I know, that's hard for me. I'm drinking it. I can't waste the wine. But they're pairing it with some amazing dishes. And I just kind of want to showcase what they're doing. And because they've only been here for a few months. And in the back in the kitchen, if you notice, there's not a stove or a fryer. They can't have fire here, but they cook great meals. They do have like a convection oven and like some other little stuff. But I think, these things are going to really set it apart. So I'm about to get back inside of there and eat some more and taste some more wine. Vinophile, downtown Palm Springs. If you're ever in the area, come check them out.
We have a seat right here.
Yes, ma'am. Evening, chef. How you doing? First course?
Yes.
Looking great. What do we have?
This is grilled peach and fresh mozzarella arugula salad.
Ooh, wee.
Yes.
Okay.
Fire lemons in.
Fire lemon
We the children of light, and we will never let up. Never giving up fight, yeah. We didn't make it through the night, yeah. Don't on the crawling all night. But keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah.
This is we started recording and now
Oh
we
my
talking.
God, this is so cool. Hey y'all, hey.
Welcome to the kitchen. Okay, family, I'm in the back of the kitchen VIP area. Chef just sliding me dishes, just feed me great, and my wine glass stays full. I think we're on like the third course. Yeah, this is gonna be this. It's interesting. I definitely have to do more wine tasting pairing experiences when I get back to Phoenix. This is good fun. Okay, that's done. But I actually need to go to the gallery because I forgot Shannon's painting. I got it wrapped and I kind of like set it to the side just so, I didn't break it. But then I never grabbed it. So, yeah. I don't think the gallery's even open right now. I'm gonna ride by there though. It just kind of means I guess I gotta come back into town before I leave tomorrow, which is not something I want to do at all. All right, it's after 5 and they're still open. Let's see if I can make it happen. Oh, Mike's closing the door as we speak. All right, pulled up to a Billy Reed's. This is a spot that Linda and Mike Rifkin has been bringing me and my family since the first time we came out here. It's like the known best place. It's their favorite place. They've been coming here for many and many years. So yeah, we're gonna have some dinner. Even after all of that food I ate, there were like bites. I could still eat something and take it back to the room tonight so I can edit and relax on. But yeah, let's go inside Billy Reed's. I think Linda's already in there. On the ranch, I'm in the orchard right now. Don't mind him, he's taking a pee while I'm filming this. I can hear you pee, bro. He just snuck up on me, scared the crap out of me. I was by myself and next thing you know, he pulled up on me and I was like, what? Yeah. They always do me like that. But right now I'm at the moment gathering some fruit and some grape leaves. Shannon wants me to get grape leaves so she can make some refrigerator pickles. If you're familiar with those, I just put some cucumbers in a jar with some brine and some seasons, and the grape leaves keep them nice and crisp. So Shannon's gonna make some refrigerator pickles. I'm gathering grape leaves and some thyme. There's thyme and rosemary, some other, spices that I can grab that are here, some herbs, and yeah. I gotta get on the road. I got a lot more work to do before I head home. I have to head into the gallery, film a video for Father's Day. Father's Day's coming up, so Mr. Rifkin wants to film a Father's Day video. I'm not sure when this video's coming out. I'm not sure. I've probably filmed 5 videos since I've been here. This may be like next month. So Father's Day has passed. Happy belated Father's Day. It hasn't happened yet in this video. It actually is next week. I'm gonna grab some of these grape leaves, man. There's some grapes still on the vines. The other day, we juiced grapes and apples, made juice. I got some eggs. I got all sorts of stuff to take home. It's just been working, man. But yeah, we outside. Let's get to it. Some boots, boot scooting boogie. All right, man, I'm just gonna head home. Sent the email, did some posts. Got me some boots, got a turban. Saying goodbye to the antique galleries of Palm Springs. Again, it's bittersweet. It's the last time I'm gonna see it in this form. All right, I'm getting gas at the casino, cheapest gas in town. They got this thing working like a NASCAR station. You can only come in one way out. So, yeah, she trying to get me in and get my gas now. So let me stop talking to y'all, man. It's serious business here. And the way they get you in here, my gas hole, it's on the other side. But I guess they nozzles are that long. I guess it's long. When you pay first. Yeah, I guess it reached. So it's a stretch, but doing what it do. I don't need that much gas, actually. All right, not bad. Like $22. Put it back on full. Let's go. And I'm sorry for the audio. I've been lazy this whole vlog. I didn't hook up any microphones. Just been I don't even know where they're at. I don't think they even charge. The battery's probably dead. My spirit timeless. Gotta keep that hush, tryna get your money. I'ma go your way, I done made my choice. Pay me with eternity, I feel like I was born. Okay, a little light lunch. One of my favorite places, the Ono Hawaiian barbecue spot. This is a seafood mix. Comes with chicken, shrimp, and fish, with the pasta salad and the rice and some cabbage. I don't think I'm gonna eat it all, but that's why I got it in this box so I can take it home and finish it up. But I needed to eat something like right away.
As the finishing touches are being completed on Arizona's first Buc-ee's.
All of the hotels in the area are booked up.
People from across Arizona and beyond are securing their plans to be in Goodyear for the grand opening on June 22nd.
My wife thinks I'm nuts. We're planning to get out there probably between 12 and 1 o'clock.
Scott from Phoenix is planning to arrive when the parking lot opens at midnight, camping overnight until the doors open at 6 a.m. alongside Melissa from Surprise.
I took off the day from work. I'm like, this is a whole thing. People are like, whatever. They don't get it. I'm like, you guys don't get it.
But of the three, Amanda is traveling the farthest from Oklahoma.
I've never attended a grand opening. Be able to meet Randy, the pit master, be able to meet Mr. Bucky himself.
The city of Goodyear is anticipating between 50 to 75,000 cars to roll through here on opening day.
All right, man, I made it home. Turban's doing his job. It's keeping me nice and like shaded and cool while I unload the car because it is hot. And I think I'm about to jump in a pool. I'm super tired though. I can go for a nap for sure. But I'm looking mystique in here right now, ain't it? It's doing the job. Like, you would think more clothes means more heat. Not with these. there we have it. Another safe and successful trip to Palm Springs and back home to my family. Thank you, Lord. I'm just so happy that I'm able to make new clients while I'm here. Shout out to Vinophile, because the antique galleries of Palm Springs is going away. Kind of fills in the blanks. If you guys like this video, please let us know. Hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell notification for future videos, because we'll be back outside again. Let's go.